Hey guys, John with Somokosha in Japan, and I promised some people that I would make a couple of videos for sharpening the way I do it. The way I do it and the way my boss Yamamoto does it are a little bit different. I think everybody's a little bit different, but I want to start by introducing just the basic stones that I use. The first type of stone that I use is arado, which means a rough stone. This is a Bester, B-E-S-T-E-R 700. The case looks like that. Yamamoto and I both use this stone. We like it because it really takes a lot of material off quickly. The particles or whatever are quite loose, so it takes a lot of material off quickly. Then I usually go to just a king. Everybody knows the king. Nakado 1000. Sometimes I use a 1200. I'm not really sure which is which in here, but and then I go to the stone that I like for finishing, which is different than Yamamoto. Is this is called a Kitayama, K-I-T-A-Y-A-M-A. It's an 8000 grit. It's soft. I like a soft stone to finish because particularly with chisels, you get this sort of micron level curve at the end, is the only way I can explain it, that makes the edge retention better, particularly for carpenters when we're banging away on stuff. And for the back sides, I use a different stone. This is Ebi Jirushi, or I think it's Naniwa is the company. It's a diamond stone. This is a 1000, and then I take it from the 1000 to the same style, which is a diamond stone, but it's a 6000. So the colors are different for the 1000 and the 6000. And in the next video, I'll get started sharpening.